Are you in class 12th and your math syllabus is just slipping out of your hands? Backlogs piling up, chapters half done, mind full but marks low. Wait, don't give up because this one video might just save your class 12th mathematics. In this video, I am going to talk about the real strategies, smart planning and that ninja level execution that you need to bounce back. So let's go. First thing first, stop treating backlog like a monster. It's not a failure. It's an unfinished business. Now repeat this after me. I will finish what I started. Louder. I will finish what I started. Now let's get golden rule. Here is the golden ratio every JEE aspirant with backlogs should follow. 60, 30, 10. 60% of your time should go to current topics so that you don't fall further behind. 30% of the time should be given to your backlog topics, but those backlog topics should be carefully and smartly chosen. And I'm going to talk about it in this video. Now 10% of your time should be given to revision and tests. That is completely non-negotiable because what is the point of studying if you're not able to retain it? Remember, you are not a robot, you are just a student with smart plan. 60, 30, 10. Spin it in your time. How to pick topic for your backlog smartly. Now listen to me carefully. Do not go with the scariest topic that is going to make you cry. That's emotional studying. Instead, ask yourself these two questions. Is this topic a high weightage or high frequency topic for JEE Main or Advanced? Number one. Number two will be, is it a prerequisite chapter or topic for your upcoming class 12th mathematics? For example, wavy curve, quadratic equation and trigonometry, these three chapters are prerequisite chapters for your class 12th mathematics. And the good news is that I am going to cover these three chapters in my upcoming live session, which is gonna be on 3rd May sharp 6 p.m. where I'll cover each and every topic in detail so that it will not affect your class 12th mathematics, and also I'm going to teach you some amazing ninja techniques that is going to help you in JEE Main and Advanced. So if you are a serious JEE aspirant who wants to save class 12th mathematics, you should definitely join my live session. Now stop saying that I'll complete the entire chapter in one day. That is going to ruin your momentum. Say this instead. I'll complete 3 subtopics of trigonometry in 90 minutes. That's called micro targets. Remember, small wins build momentum, and trust me, momentum builds motivation every time. You can't clear your backlogs if you're constantly tired, demotivated, or you're just scrolling reels at 1 a.m. in the night. You need to protect your energy, and your energy kit includes these 3 things. Number 1, short breaks after study blocks. You can Google Pomodoro technique for the same. Number 2, movement. Remember, even a 10-minute walk boosts your focus. So whenever you are feeling exhausted, just go for a walk and come back. You will see that your questions will automatically fall into the place. And yes, 7 hours of sleep is not a luxury, it's a fuel. Understand, burnout is real, so be smart, don't be stubborn. Class 12th maths can either crush you or reward you with your dream college. Friends, smart planning, consistent execution and the right guidance. So stop panicking over backlog. Remember, one smart topic at a time. Drop your biggest backlog topic in the comment section and I'll make a video just for that. Let's save your class 12th maths the ninja way.